Have you ever wondered how your survival trips would be without fire? What if you can't light up a fire because of adverse weather conditions where matches don't work? Well, there are indeed many ways in which you can start a fire, but a fire starter is a tool that has a purposeful design. And if you're thinking of getting your hands on a fire starter, then you've clicked on the right video, because today in this video, we'll be talking about the top 7 best fire starters for survival on Amazon. So let's dive right into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
So let's start with the Überleben Zunden. It's the best-selling ferro rod style fire starter from Überleben. Lighting up your survival trips is now easier than ever. When it comes to building quality and finishing, the Zunden doesn't compromise, as it comes with a handmade natural wood handle. This handle features an ergonomic look and provides you with one of the best grips. Plus, it also has a mil-spec 550 paracord lanyard that makes it look even fancier. Now, as we know how well built the fire starter is, let's talk about its performance. The fire starter comes in 3 different sizes and weighs from 1.7 ounces to 3.1 ounces depending on its size. The smaller size gives you 12,000 strikes, the medium size will provide 15,000 strikes, and the large 20,000 strikes. It can help you ignite a fire regardless of weather conditions and altitude without any hassle, thanks to its 2.7 inches Sanft core ferro rod. Overall, the Überleben Zunden is a decent ferro rod style fire starter, able to light up your trips no matter how adverse your situation may get. Tired of reigniting your matches because of windy or stormy weather? That won't be an issue anymore because UCO has got you covered with their Titan Stormproof Match Kit. When it comes to safety and durability, the box is airtight enough to protect the matches from getting wet even if you submerge them in water. If you do get it wet, the external striker lights up quickly and is replaceable. These 4.1-inch matches are so lightweight, they only weigh less than 3 ounces altogether with the box. Talking about the matches, they're not fragile like your regular kitchen matches, and these stormproof matches can endure windy weather and even storms with up to 25 seconds of burning time. In conclusion, if you don't want a bulky fire starter as baggage on your survival trip, then you can check out the UCO Titan Stormproof Match Kit. Do you need a fire starter that's even lighter and more compact than a match kit? Then look no further, because the Micro SparkWheel from UST is the perfect companion for you. This fire starter is so lightweight that you won't even feel it in your pocket, as it only weighs 0.4 ounces. It's made for one-hand use and comes with a compact and waterproof storage tube. The fire starter is made from high-quality brass and includes 3 replacement flints. Performance-wise, this device is able to generate sparks in any condition, no matter if your weather is cold, wet, or windy. This fire starter will provide you with the much-needed spark while you're on your survival trip. The starter works amazingly with the UST Light Me Tinder. All in all, UST Micro SparkWheel is a super tiny and light fire starter that works excellent on survival and any recreational trip, so that you stay prepared all the time without much of a hassle. Who needs to carry a fire starter when you can casually wear them on your neck? Next up, we have the Überleben Leicht. It's a super compact and lightweight necklace-style ferro rod for your next survival trip. No worries about the durability because this necklace-style starter comes with a mil-spec 550 paracord neck lanyard with a secured clasp and a 1.25-inch long ferrocerium rod. The lanyard length can be adjusted according to your preferred size while weighing only 1 ounce. If you look into its performance, this fire starter isn't the most efficient, but considering its size, you get more than enough thanks to the Sandcroft ferro rod. You'll easily get 12,000 strikes of spark at any weather and altitude. The metal striker is designed with a sharp edge to throw fire in the right direction. Overall, with its unique style and performance, the Überleben Leicht takes a rightful place on our list. If you're looking for a fire starter that won't require any space in your backpack, then this is for you. Strike your fire like a pro with the Exotac nanoSTRIKE XL. No matter what place or how much adverse weather you're in, with all its features, size, and weight, this becomes one of the best ferro rod style fire starters out there. Durability and feature-wise, the nanoSTRIKER is made with a USA high-grade 6061 anodized aluminum body for more ruggedness and durability. Not only that, the fire starter has a replaceable ferro rod for more continuity. It also comes with a sharp tungsten carbide striker to deliver you the much-needed spark whenever or wherever you need it. When it comes to performance, the ferro rod is very consistent and can deliver you up to 3,000 effective sparks, no matter your altitude or weather. As they're replaceable, you won't have to worry about them getting worn down. A flammable lanyard is also available with the device made from 550 fire cord to be ignited in case of emergencies. To conclude about the Exotac nanoSTRIKE XL, this is a ferro rod style fire starter that can provide you the versatility and modularity you need for your survival trips. Forget about gathering those fire starting necessities because up next we have the Fire Starter Combo Kit from Zippo, an all-in-one fire starting kit to light up your survival trips. Since it's a fire starter combo kit, this product has a Zippo Mag Strike fire starter, 5 natural shredded pine tinder with a water-resistant wax coating, and a bellow. The ferrocerium rod has a corrosive resistance coating, and the handle has a triangular shape and a nice texture for an excellent grip. If we talk about its performance, the fire starter comes with a stiff blade with a precisely cut edge to provide you with the maximum spark shower. Its natural shredded pine tinder can ignite for up to 8 minutes, and the bellow will let you turn the spark into hellfire. At last, we can say that if you're looking for something with everything inside a single box, then the Zippo Fire Starter Combo Kit is for you. Wrapping up with the best fire starter you can find in the market according to price, performance, and versatility, we introduce you to the Strikeforce fire starter from UST. Talking about build and materials, this fire starter comes with a flint rod and the handle has a storage compartment with 2 pieces of UST light meat tinder inside it. A detachable cap is there to protect the flint and prevent unwanted sparks. The handle is made from high-quality ABS plastic to deliver you the best durability while weighing only 3.7 ounces. Performance-wise, the fire starter has a lot of versatility and can light up a huge range of tinders without any issues at all. The fire starter can generate 3 times the heat of a match and can deliver up to 4,000 strikes. The light meat tinder it comes with can be a very convenient option when you don't have any tinder around you. In conclusion, the UST Strikeforce can be your ideal go-to choice on your next survival trip. With its amazing price tag, versatility, and performance, this fire starter is worth checking out. So that was our list for the top 7 best fire starters for survival on Amazon. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends because we know they'll find it just as helpful as you did.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.